Hi, today we're going to be looking at electric screwdriver. So a problem with this is undoing works perfectly. The other direction, tightening up, doesn't work. So let's take it apart. Let's see what's going on here with the switch. Is it something to do electrically? Something to do with contacts? Let's get it fixed. Okay, that's all the screws out that I can see. Okay, so it looks like it just splits straight down the middle. Okay, and there we go. The cat really, hold on 1 second. Looks like the switch just pivots here onto plastic. There we go. So, not quite sure how this switch works. Is it just one push? So obviously either kicks it up or kicks it down, I suppose. Okay, so this sort of works joystick style, I suppose. Okay. So nothing wrong with the board, nothing wrong with the wires. If I manually flick the switch, it's pretty stiff. I mean, this has just been flicked over by this plastic on two plastic pivot points here. Okay, if I do it with pliers, I mean, it works every time. Okay. I don't see anything broken here in the plastic. I mean, there's no broken plastic or anything there. So I guess this little PP goes into that hole Maybe that's all stretched out a bit, maybe. It's the only thing I can think of. Really? It's working, no? No idea. No idea. Didn't really do anything. Took it apart, put it back together. I suppose that's how it goes sometimes. Okay, well, didn't find the problem. Problem solved itself. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix. We'll see you in the next one.